to another episode of Rosengold. I'm your host, Kayne, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
Dr. Ross and I are enjoying a meal at Delta Blues.
That's right.
We saw that Kim went to InNOut to get a little bit of the munchies, but we're eating out at Delta Blues.
When they got off the plane, they headed to InNOut. Kim covered up in a boa as she ordered her meal, which hit the spot. And she topped it all off with another Jell-O shot, encouraged by Chloe.
Nachos and the delicious hamburger, or as they call it, the prime burger.
That's right.
You slumber hamburger. I don't want to talk about nothing else.
And speaking about Kim, that actually leads us into our first hot topic with Kim's 42nd birthday. Happy birthday, Kim. And Kim was doing it. She had all of her sisters. They went on the Kylie Jet Express. They got tickets. They played Usher's music. And they teased Kim saying that they're going to go see Usher, but instead they took her to InNOut Burgers.
Can I put my card in? I can make it to carbonate.
Kim Kardashian's birthday celebrations may not have gone as planned, but she found a delicious plan B. Two Vegas showgirls welcomed Kim on board of her sister Kylie Jenner's Kylie Air private jet, which was decorated with balloons and feather boas. There was a special drink menu for the flight, featuring the Kiki Rita, the Kim Teeny, Keek's Cougar Courage, and a billionaire's beverage. And there was also an off-menu item, Jell-O shots.
What is this, Kelly?
Jell-O shots.
Oh my gosh. Okay. It's about that time.
Jell-O shot time.
Usher songs blasted through the plane's speakers as they partied, and it soon dawned on Kim that they were headed to the singer's Vegas residency and stopping at Carbone for dinner. But high winds in Vegas derailed their plans. Kim later updated fans that the, quote, plane couldn't land due to the wind, so it looks like our Carbone party and Usher concert isn't happening, and we are heading back home. Everyone kept in high spirits, and Chloe even recorded an Instagram Stories video message for Usher, telling him they couldn't make it, and using a sign with Kim's face.
I hope you bring me on stage next time and serenade me. Because I miss you, Usher. Love in this club, Daddy. Love in this club.
So,
Because Usher's concert apparently got canceled due to wind and other restrictions.
and Usher's birthday was just a couple days ago too, and everyone saw his party, so maybe his tour maybe got canceled for that, but what do you think, IK?
You just never know, but with Kim traveling around to Usher saying that Usher is her daddy, and also saying that she's going to Babyface's party and hanging around in ATL, Kanye, your chances are up.
Take him to Detroit. No, not Detroit. No, please. Anything but that. No.
Only thing that's left for you is death. Because Kanye West, you have missed out. With Pete Davidson, you could at least fandangle something and do something else.
Exactly.
Now
You
with
could make all these jokes in your music videos about him getting murdered alive, him getting buried, but once you mess with these ATL people that Kim is talking about,
The
or
ATL
talking to,
figures.
yes, it won't be the same situation, but I know Kanye is smarter than that. He is not speaking out right now, and it's probably for the better. So, Kanye,
And you know what?
wish you the best.
Kanye was actually spotted with his daughter sitting there with the hood on, going. So
They're both the
Kanye,
same people.
they're both depressed. Let's get into our next hot topic with Black Adam and Tickets to Paradise.
That's right.
So Black Adam is dominating the box office right now as the #1 hit film. I'd say it was a 7 out of 10, but still, nonetheless, it was a great film. And for Tickets to Paradise, that one was also a spectacular film. If you're into romance and Hallmark films, it's for you. Let's get into our next hot topic with Tamron Hall.
So for Tamron Hall, she just bleached her hair blonde, and we have to say she looks hot. We'll put the photo right here, and because Tamron Hall looks so hot on her show, we actually, IK and I are going to, and the studio co-host, we are going to give her the She's Hot Contest trophy because she is the winner for this She's Hot Contest of this week.
That's
Congratulations.
Right. Congratulations on your win. Because I like that she's pulling off the funky style, shaved down the side. Miss Tamron Hall, keep on doing you. We'd love to be onto your show. Let's get into our next and final hot topic.
So Jayz and Beyonce's daughter, Ivy, was seen at an art auction, and they're trying to show that it's impressive that this little girl was bidding at the auction $80,000 for some diamond rings. Exactly. Where did she get that money from?
So a quick note, what Blue Ivy actually did was a bluff bid. So whoever bid after her was the one that won and paid the full amount, but she bluffed until she got to the point where she didn't want to do it anymore, which is slick, but it won't get past us. Let's get into our hot topics in the end of the video.
Her parents.
This is a thumbs down.
Thumbs down.
Off, Beyonce and Rihanna. People don't want to hear about the kids. They want to hear about you.
Exactly. They need to buy her some Amazon $5 diamond rings and call it an end deal.
Exactly. Get some zirconium. These were all of our hot topics because we have a meal to eat and time to enjoy.
Happy birthday, Kim.
Happy birthday, Kim.
The pit boss.
Smothered in gravy, cheese, and oil.
Something Kanye should eat and just black out.
We'll see you on the next episode. That's for you, Kim, Kylie, and the entirety of the clan.
That's right.